Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover Brawl Stars account. So the first step, you need to click on three bars on the top right and go into the settings. Once you are in settings, here you can see different options. You simply need to click on help and support. So once you click on that, here you can see different options. The first one is account. Click on that, and here you can see recover your account. Click on that. I've lost access to my account, and you need to follow the procedure. Okay, but if you want to recover fast, click here and leave a message and directly contact with the chat support here, and they will help you to recover your account fast. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.